Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to recover your X account. Now, the name of the Twitter has been changed to X and you want to recover your account, and if you have forgotten your password, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So after making sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or data, simply open the X app on a device. So currently I'm already logged into my account, so I'll simply show you how you can recover your account. So you'll get taken into the sign in page if you have not signed in or created your account. So at the very bottom of the page you'll see the option of forgot password. So click on the option of forgot password and find your X account. You just need to enter the following things like your email address, your phone number, or the option of your name. So after that you just need to tap on the option of next at the very bottom. So I'll simply enter the phone number right here. So after entering your email address, phone number, or username which you have selected, that depends on you. So after selecting it, you just need to choose a recovery method. So X will send you a verification code registered to your email or phone number. So it depends on what you have chosen. So you just need to enter the verification code. So you just need to check your email, or you just need to check the SMS box on your phone, and you just need to enter the verification code sent by X. And after verification, you just need to create a new password for your account. And after creating the password, you just need to open the X app again, and you just need to enter the new password which you have recently created, and you will be able to log into your account. So that's it. That's how you can recover your X account and fix the problem of forget your password. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.